Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something a little wacky. Ever had a pee stream that just goes all over the place? Like, 1 second, it's normal. The next, it's like a rogue garden hose. Yeah, we're diving into that today. Let's go. So, believe it or not, this is way more common than you'd think. And there are a few reasons why your pee might be acting like a sprinkler. Let's break it down. Reason 1. Urethral stricture. This is just a fancy way of saying that your pee tunnel has narrowed. This can happen due to an injury, past medical procedures, or even an untreated infection. Basically, if you've had a UTI or an STI that wasn't treated, it could lead to scarring. Imagine a garden hose. If it's wide open, the water flows straight. But if you put your thumb on it, boom! The water sprays everywhere. That's kinda what's happening down there. Reason 2. Enlarged prostate. Guys, this one's for you. As you get older, the prostate can grow and start squeezing the urethra. Think of it like a traffic jam for your urine. It's trying to get out, but there's congestion, making it come out all weird. Reason 3. Leftover stuff. Sometimes if you've recently ejaculated, there can be some leftover remnants in the urethra. This leftover material can mess with the urine flow, making things a little unpredictable. Think of it like turbulence on a flight. Your stream is just hitting some bumps. Is this dangerous? Nope. Most of the time, a wacky stream is just a nuisance. But if it's happening all the time and it's bothering you, definitely check in with a urologist. They can help figure out what's up and get you back to smooth sailing. Alright guys, that's the breakdown on wacky pee streams. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more important health content. Drop a comment below and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.